Documentation. System documentation. A key to successful system deployment. Imagine you've designed a great system, but no one can figure out how to use it effectively. Frustrating, right? That's where documentation comes to the rescue. It's the unsung hero that ensures smooth system deployment and usability, bridging the gap between developers and end users. System documentation is a set of clear, detailed instructions about a system's structure, functionality, and operation. It's like a map guiding users and technicians through the system. To make it even better, documentation is divided into two types: technical documentation and user documentation. Each serves a unique purpose: technical for developers and user-focused for everyday operators. Let's explore their differences and uses step by step. Technical documentation is designed for IT professionals, system administrators, and developers. Its primary goal: to explain the inner workings of a system. This type of documentation ensures that even a new team can manage, troubleshoot, or improve the system seamlessly. Without proper technical documentation, maintaining or upgrading the system becomes a nightmare for IT teams, leading to inefficiency and errors. Every system has a purpose, a problem it solves. Technical documentation clearly states this purpose. Additionally, it highlights system limitations, helping technicians understand what the system can and cannot do. Flowcharts visually represent how the system operates. They break down complex processes step by step, providing clarity on workflows and logical sequences within the system. Which hardware specs and software environments are needed for your system? Technical documentation lists these requirements, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance during deployment. Sample test runs show how the system behaves under different scenarios. These examples validate processes and guide developers on testing system functionality effectively. While technical documentation speaks to IT professionals, user documentation is tailored for end users, those who operate the system in real-world scenarios. It focuses on breaking down complex functions into simple, user-friendly instructions. A well-written user manual boosts user satisfaction and minimizes errors, helping users confidently engage with the system. It's especially crucial for mitigating error-related downtime. Users don't need technical jargon. A quick, simple explanation of what the system does and how it benefits them gets the message across clearly and effectively. System errors are inevitable. User documentation provides step-by-step solutions for common issues, empowering users to troubleshoot problems without external help. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, address specific user concerns. A comprehensive FAQ section saves time by answering recurring questions about the software or system. Users need guidance on managing files, running the system, and maintaining records. These instructions ensure smooth day-to-day operations and enhance user confidence. Both technical and user documentation complement each other. While technical documents focus on system development and maintenance, user manuals ensure proper daily usage. Together, they make the entire system deployment process seamless and efficient. Without either type, systems often face problems like prolonged downtime or user frustration due to a lack of clarity or support. Proper documentation avoids these pitfalls and ensures success. Now that you understand the purpose and components of both types of documentation, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start by practicing writing short and straightforward explanations. Remember, clarity is key. Visuals like flowcharts can make your documentation even more effective. Ready to create polished and professional system documentation? Take the first step by analyzing a system you're familiar with. Draft technical documentation highlighting its flow and limitations, and pair it with a user manual. Practice makes perfect, and you'll soon master the art of effective documentation. Start today and become the documentation expert future systems will thank.